English to Pashto short sentences. I don't need your sympathy. زما ستا همدردي نه ده پکار. I don't need your sympathy. Haste makes waste. د تادی کار د شیطان یي. Haste makes waste. Don't snatch my happiness. زما خوشحالی مت اختوا. Don't snatch my happiness. Your sorrow is my sorrow. ستا خفګان زما خفګان دی. Your sorrow is my sorrow. Sweeten your mouth. خوله دې خوږه کا. Sweeten your mouth. Only you deceived me. صرف تا مال دوکا راکړه. Only you deceived me. It's the day of happiness. نن د خوشحالۍ ورځ ده. It's the day of happiness. I can't express my happiness. زه خپله خوشحالي نشم بیانولی. I can't express my happiness. Everybody hates him. د هر چا هغه بدی شي. Everybody hates him. He is fed up with his life. هغه د خپل ژوند نه تنګ شوی. He is fed up with his life. Don't pamper him. هغه په سر مه هیجوه. Don't pamper him. How lucky you are. څومره بختور یې ته. How lucky you are. Laughing is good. خندا ښه. Laughing is good. How caring you are. ته څومره پروا کولو والی. How caring you are. Let go of my hand. زما لاس پریږده. Let go of my hand. Don't focus on hearsays. ډنډورې له پام مه ورکوه. Don't focus on hearsays. Do something big. څه غټ وکړه. Do something big. Nothing is fine. هیڅ صحیح نه دي. Nothing is fine. You are a careless person. ته بے پروا انسان یې. You are a careless person. Why be afraid of being loved. چې مینه کوي نو یریږي سله. Why be afraid of being loved. Don't snoop. جاسوسي مه کوه. Don't snoop. Around her room. د هغې د کمرې خواوشا. Around her room. What will I wear. زه به څه اغوندم. What will I wear. In wedding. په واده کې. In wedding. What kind of songs. سرنګي سندرې. What kind of songs. What kind of car. سرنګي ګاډی. What kind of car. He forgot. د هغه ير شو. He forgot. You are forgetful. ستانه یریږي. You are forgetful. May I come to take you. آیا زه تا بوستو له راشم؟ May I come to take you? I hid nothing. ما هیڅ ندی پټ کړي. I hid nothing. How do we look together? مونږ یو ځای څنګه ښکارو. How do we look together? You look good together. تاسو یو ځای ښه ښکارئ. You look good together. I respect you from my heart. زه د زړه نه ستا عزت کوم. I respect you from my heart. I appreciate you. زه ستا صفت کوم. I appreciate you. یا زه تاله داد در کوم. I will not leave your company. زه به ستا ملګرتیا نه پرېږدم. I will not leave your company till the last moment. د آخري ساعته پورې. Till the last moment. He always talks nonsense. هغه تل بکواس کوي. He always talks nonsense. I'm used to it. زه د دې سره عادت یم. I'm used to it. Don't doubt me so much. په ما باندې ډیر شک مه کوه. Don't doubt me so much. I have no regrets. ما ته هیڅ افسوس نشته. I have no regrets. I don't go out alone. زه یوازې بهر ته نه ځم. I don't go out alone. You spoiled our fun. تا زمون مزه خراب کړه. You spoiled our fun. He gets offended. هغه بد ګڼي. He gets offended. هغه بد ګڼي. Come 1 hour earlier. یو ګنټه مخکې راشه. Come 1 hour earlier. Sleep 1 hour earlier. یو ګنټه مخکې ویده کېږه. Sleep 1 hour earlier. If possible, bring one more. کچری ممکن وي یو بل راوړه. If possible, bring one more. If possible, tell him. کچری ممکن وي هغه ته ووایه. If possible, tell him. If possible, meet me. کچری ممکن وي ما سره میلاو شه. If possible, meet me. If possible, forget me. کچری ممکن وي نو ما هیر کا. If possible, forget me. Don't twist my ear. غوږ می مه وهه. Don't twist my ear. Take breath of fresh air. د تازه هوا ساه واخله. Take breath of fresh air. Apologize at once. فوراً معافی وغواړه. Apologize at once. Don't spoil my mind. مازغه راله مه خرابوه. Don't spoil my mind. He spoiled my mind. هغه زما مازغه خراب کړو. He spoiled my mind. You always spoil my mind. ته تل زما مازغه خرابای. You always spoil my mind. What's there to spoil mind? پدې کې د مزغو خرابولو څه خبره ده؟ What's there to spoil mind? Why are you spoiling my mind? مازغه راله ولې خرابوي؟ Why are you spoiling my mind? Give him some more money. هغه له لږې نورې پیسې ورکا. Give him some more money. We will meet again. مونږ به دوباره میلاو شو. We will meet again. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبریږئ. Thanks for watching.